In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add organizations to your LinkedIn profile. This is a quick way to highlight professional groups or volunteer involvement so your profile reflects more than just job titles. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. From the home page, head to your profile by clicking your profile photo or the Me option on the top navigation bar. In the drop-down, select View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can make edits and add new details. Near the top of your profile, just below your name and headline, look for the Add section button. It can be easy to miss, so take a moment to find it. Click it to expand a list of sections you can add to your profile. In the menu that appears, locate the additional category. This area holds items that don't fit into experience or education, but are still important to your story. When you open Additional, choose Add Organizations. This is where you can showcase professional associations, clubs, societies, or volunteer organizations you're part of. A form will open. Fill in the organization name first. If LinkedIn recognizes it, you may see an official page you can select, which can display the organization's logo on your profile. Next, add your role or position within the organization, the dates you were involved, and a concise description of what you did. Aim for clear, outcome-focused language. For example, instead of saying you helped with events, say you coordinated monthly member events and increased attendance. Keep it brief, 1 to 3 sentences is usually enough, and avoid sensitive or confidential details. Consistency matters too, so match your dates and naming style with the rest of your profile. Before you finalize, review everything for spelling, accuracy, and clarity. Double-check the organization name, your role, and the timeline. This section reflects your professional brand, so getting the details right helps recruiters and collaborators understand the scope of your involvement. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new organization entry will appear on your profile. Take a moment to scroll through your updated profile and confirm that the information displays correctly. If something needs tweaking, you can return to this entry and edit it at any time. And that's it. You've successfully added an organization to your LinkedIn profile. This small addition can make a big difference in showcasing your leadership, community impact, and professional interests. If you need more guidance, feel free to revisit this walkthrough or check LinkedIn's Help Center. Thanks for watching and happy networking.